So now in this video, we will see how we can use ternary operator and conditional operator inside a React application. So for that, what I'll do, first I'll go to the app.js. Well, it's because I have to add something so that I can use this conditional operator, and I'm gonna give it a status. Yeah, let's just give it 1 and status 0, and here is 1. And if I save this, now what I will do, first I will show you how we can use if and else state, if and else like conditional operator. So if I give it if and post dot status is equal to 1, then return this, that is else, we will return null. And if I save this now, yeah, see, we have only 2 because the status is 1 only for 2 posts, this first one and the third one. The second one, the status is 0, and that's why we are not seeing the second one inside browser. So what we will do now, we'll see how ternary operator works, and for that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna comment out this section. Const post lists equal to post dot, of course I'm gonna map again post, and now we will use ternary operator. So how ternary operator works, in case if you don't know, first what we do, we write the condition and then question mark. Now we have 2 situations here. First one is true, and then the colon and the false one, I mean the else one. So first we check the condition. If true, then we print this one, and if not true, then we print this one. Okay, so let me just show you. So now what I will do, I'll just return it because we are inside map, and here first the condition, and here the condition is, what is the condition? Yeah, post dot status, and that is equal to 1. Then we are gonna print something, or else we are gonna print null. So what we will return if it's true, if it's true, we are gonna return this division. If I copy this and paste it, okay, we don't need this, this and this. Playing with me? Yeah. Okay. If I save this one, see, there is no changes, it's showing everything perfectly. And if we just change this 1 to 0, now see, we are seeing the second post. So that's how we use conditional operator and ternary operator. So I hope you understood it, because it's pretty much easy. We used it before in other programming language, and I hope you already know that, and it just made your memory more clear. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe because that gives me motivation, and like, yeah, that's also important. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.